Chinese smartphone maker Xiaomi has confirmed that the company will launch the Redmi 6 Pro and the Mi Pad 4 at an event in China on June 25. The Redmi 6 Pro is expected to be launched with a notch display, making it the first Redmi device to sport a notch. The Redmi 6 Pro was expected to launch along with the Redmi 6 and Redmi 6A in China, but the company decided to launch it along with the Mi Pad 4. Earlier, Xiaomi had launched the Mi 8, Mi 8 SE and Mi 8 Explorer Edition with a notch display, and the teaser for the Redmi 6 Pro hints at a notch display. While we know the complete specifications of the Redmi 6 Pro due to its TNA listing, all we know about the Mi Pad 4 is that it will feature a single rear camera. Just a few days left until the official Redmi 6 Pro launch, and we already know most of the specs and the overall appearance, but the latest batch of official renders gives us a nice image to go along with the specs. The Redmi 6 Pro teaser has revealed that the device will sport a 19:9 notch display, which is similar to what was revealed in the TNA listing. The Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro is similar to the Redmi Note 5 Pro in terms of design at the back, but at the front, it will sport a notch and a bigger chin at the bottom. Shared by Xiaomi on its official Weibo page, the colorful renders reveal more about the design and show the handset from every possible angle. Unfortunately, they confirm the existence of the notch and the rather thick bezels, but at this price range, we can't be too picky. Still, it's an improvement over the Redmi 5 as it boasts a trendy 19:9 aspect ratio and a big 5.84-inch diagonal. That's, of course, what the previously leaked TNA listing says. It is expected to be launched in black, blue, gold, gray, pink, red, rose gold, silver and white color options. If you look at the teaser, you will notice that the players in the field hint at these three words, AI, 625 and 4000, hinting that the device will be powered by a Snapdragon 625 SoC, 4000 mAh battery and have AI capabilities. Looking at the renders, it's probably safe to assume that the back will be made of aluminum and that it will be charged over micro USB port. We will know more about the device once it sees broad daylight in a couple of days. The Redmi 6 Pro will run on Android 8.1 Oreo with MIUI 9 skinned on top and may get the MIUI 10 update soon after its launch. It will feature a 5.84-inch Full HD plus 2.5D curved glass display with a resolution of 2280 x 1080 pixels. In terms of performance, it is expected to be powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 SoC coupled with Adreno 506 GPU. In terms of memory, the device will be available in three variants: 2GB RAM plus 16GB internal storage, 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage, and 4GB RAM plus 64GB internal storage. The internal storage will be further expandable up to 256GB via a micro SD card. Coming to the camera department, the Xiaomi Redmi 6 Pro will feature a dual camera setup at the back consisting of a 12MP primary camera and a secondary camera for bokeh effect. On the front, the device will sport a 5MP selfie camera. The Redmi 6 Pro will be powered by a 4000 mAh battery, and connectivity options on the device will include 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, 3.5mm audio jack, FM radio, infrared port, Bluetooth 5.0 and GPS.